What I'm showing you here right now is the wardrobe cabinets of Mandaue Foam. This one is the 2 sliding door wardrobe cabinet for 11,390. So this is how it looks. It slides so easily, and it has a drawer on the bottom, and it's easy to slide in and out. And also the other side, with all the shelving is there, and the shelving is there, and the hanging racks as your option. There, it's like laminated wood, but for the price of only 11,390, it's quite a good economical buy. These are the promo price wardrobe cabinets. From 7,500, this is now 5,250. So this is how it looks like. Got 3 doors and 2 drawers. So let's go inside. So that's the little doors for all the shelvings. So got 3 shelves. And for the double door here, you got the for your hanging clothes. And then you got the 2 drawers on the bottom for the price of 5,250. This one is the Elliott wardrobe in golden teak. This has 3 drawers. The first drawer got a lock and 3 doors for the price of 8,170. Those are the shelvings that you can have, and the 3 drawers on the bottom on it. On the bottom there, and the wardrobe. There, this is the top shelving. For they have the rack for hanging the clothes. This is the walnut silver wardrobe. It's in a regular price of 16,350. But if you're a member of the Mandaue Foam Home members, you can have 15% off. So you can slide it. And then there's the shelves on the bottom. And it's easily slide to the other side. And there is the feature on the other side, a mirror cabinet, a lock drawer, another shelf on the bottom of the drawer, and another extra clothes to hang. The cabinet also opens. This is the walnut wardrobe cabinet for 16,350. Now, if you want regular furniture here or any items that they have, you can be a member of the Mandaue Foam Home members. Then you can avail of the 15% discount every time you purchase. So this is the Paton 4-door wardrobe cabinets. So you see there's 2 mirrors in the front, and there's a side doors both side and 4 drawers. So there's Uh, there's the cabinet. Where you hang your clothes with 2 drawers in the bottom. And an extra shelving there. The same with the other side. So it's a 4 drawer, 4 doors, 2 mirror cabinet. The price is 14,600 pesos. So that's the Paton 4-door, 4-drawer cabinet. This one is the Reverie 4-door cabinet. It's have 2 big drawers in the bottom. One is lockable because it got a key on it. Then I'll have to open it. This is the handle. It's like a metal piece that you hold. And this is how you hang your clothes in the middle. The 2 drawers on the bottom. And you got a top shelves in here. And the other side are just all shelvings. They haven't fully installed all the parts for this cabinet, so you can see that part of the wall on the inside of this one, but this is how it looks like. This is only for display purposes. This has got 4 shelves to put your folded clothes in, and then it closes in. This is 14,400 pesos. Next one is the thick wardrobe. 6,550 with 2 drawers on the bottom. You open it. That's the shelving, and you got an extra compartment there for all your knickknacks. And that's the shelving. The 2 drawers on the bottom. So the other side is where you hang your clothes, plus extra on the door there. To hang your flat clothes. Another shelf on the top. All for 6,550. This one is a 3-door wardrobe cabinet for 9,370. We'll open it. This is the handles. That's where you have all your shelving on the top, hanging of the clothes, and on the other side, the third are the shelves. So this is a 3-door natural oak looking wardrobe for 9,370. Next one is this walnut look 3-door wardrobe. One is lockable and 3 drawers on the bottom, and one is lockable. This is 9,850 pesos. So this is the lockable one where you hang your clothes. And there's the 2 drawers on the bottom. On the other side are the shelves. And there's another cabinet on the bottom. So it's a cabinet for shoes or anything that you want to put in. That's the Walnut, 9,850. Now we're looking at this other one. This is what the single portion of that 4-door cabinet. This is 8,660 pesos. It's got 1 single mirror, 1 door, and 2 drawers on the bottom. 8,660. This is the Aurora white door with mirror cabinet. It's now on promo from 7,500. This one is now only 5,250. Got 3 drawer, 2 doors. The other door got a mirror that you can hang your cabinets with. This one is an oak effect wardrobe, 1 drawer on the bottom, for the price of 6,420. This is another walnut silver, 6,450. It has 2 drawers on the bottom. The doors are lockable. One of the drawers are lockable. This has got a key, lock and key. This one is 11,000 pesos. It's got a big mirror door and 2 drawers on the bottom. $11,050. Now let's open the wardrobe door, and then you can see the mechanism. Got shelves here on the one side. It's got a top shelf at 12. It's in golden teak laminate. This is the tocador wardrobe with mirror. It's 3 drawers on the bottom, 2 drawers on the side, and it's got like a slide thing where you have the mirror. 2 drawers here, lockable, for 11,680. That's the other wardrobe. Columbia wardrobe, 2 drawer in the bottom, 2 doors, for 7,600. This is a 2-door wardrobe, Phoenix, with big mirror on one side of the door. The 12,600 pesos there. The shelving and the drawers inside the wardrobe. So this is 12,600. White wardrobe with mirror. This one is in promo right now. From 7,650, this is only priced now at 5,355. Got 2 drawers on the bottom. 2 doors, one with mirror where you hang the clothes. For the price of 5,355. Another one in promo is this white metal wardrobe. It's made of metal. It's got a secret thing here. The shelvings are metal. It's got a mirror on the door. From 10,750, the metal wardrobe is now 7,525.